Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Roblox games offline. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Roblox currently does not support, since Roblox is a live service platform, all of its games run online, meaning you can't play without an internet connection. However, your goal is to play Roblox without being disturbed by your friends or other online players. There's a way to do this by adjusting your privacy settings. This method allows you to play Roblox games while making yourself invisible to your friends, so they won't be able to see your activity or bother you with messages or game invites. To start, open the Roblox app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the three lines. This will open a menu with different options. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see various options to customize your account and experience. For now, tap Privacy and Content Restrictions. Once you're in the privacy settings, you'll see multiple categories that control how you interact with other users on Roblox. Look for the communication section and adjust each option. Here, set